Now, we are in slide 2. We're gonna count. We're gonna count to 10 in Haitian Creole. You wanna do that? Are you ready? Then let's count. We're gonna count to 10. I have it written down for you, and I have it on the board behind me as well. Let's do it together. That's probably the easiest thing in any language, I guess. I don't know. The first thing I learned to do in Spanish, I didn't know anything in Spanish yet at that time, was counting. As a little kid, my dad taught me that, and I never forgot it since then. So yeah, I think that's gonna be easy. Let's do that. Let's do that. Remember, we're counting to 10, so I don't even need to translate anything for you. We're just gonna count to 10, okay? We won't translate because I know you're gonna know what they are. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. We're gonna do it again, and the third time what I'll do, I'll try to separate the sounds so you can understand better. Now let's go again. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10. So now, let's separate the sound. Now, this is one sound. You cannot separate one, right? It's un. It's one sound, and you'll learn this is a vowel on its own, right? That's one sound. Now here, it's D. Now how many sounds we have here? We have two sounds. We have D, A. We have D, A, D. Now here we have trois. How many sounds we have here? We have three sounds there. We have t, w, a, trois, t, w, a, trois. Now we have cat. Cat. How many sounds in cat? We have three sounds. We hear three separate things. We hear a consonant, a vowel, and another consonant. K, a, t, cat, cat. Now we have sync. How many sounds we have in sync? We have three. We hear three sounds. We would call that syllables, right, in English? We have s, we have eh, we have k, sync. We have six. How many sounds we have? We have three sounds. One sound is repeated. We have s, e, s, six. We have set. How many sound? Three sound. S, e, t, s, e, t. For set. Huit. How many sound? Two sounds. The semivowels. U and the consonant t. Huit. Kunya. Now. Kunya, right? When I say kunya, that means now. Now we have neuf. How many sound? Three again. N, e, f, neuf. How many sound there? Dix. Dix, three sound. D, e, s, dix. Three sounds. We also had another semivowels that was in trois. W, t, w, a. Alright? We have some exercise now. After you practice counting from 1 to 10, the first thing I want you to do, as I just said, as exercise, keep pronouncing those numbers out loud until you master them. Alright? So, you're gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Until you master that. Counting to 10. Don't just count. Know what they mean. Know what they mean, right? Know what un is, know what deux is, know what trois is. Alright? Very important. After that, this is an exercise for you. You're gonna underline all the semi-vowels from those numbers. So those numbers here, oh, did I did it for you already? I think I already did it for you. Yeah, so we see them together. We don't have much anyway. We only have two of them. We have W, we have Y. Oh, Y, we don't have Y at all. We don't have Y here. So we only have two of them. W, Y. Alright? Okay. Now the next one is identify the other vowels. How? Can you do it? Let's just do it now, right? But I'm going to have another exercise coming for you in the third slide. Now let's do this right now. The other vowels. I know you're very smart. You're going to know. What are the other vowels here? Other vowels. This is a vowel by itself. One vowel. Now here, what's the vowel there? The vowel is A. The vowel is A. What's the vowel here? I again. What's the vowel there? The vowel is E. There. What's the vowel here? The vowel is E. What's the vowel there? The vowel is E. What's the vowel here? There is none, because this one is a semi-vowel. What's the vowel there? The vowel is E. What's the vowel here? It's E. Alright? That's an easy one. We were able to identify the vowels, the semi-vowels as well. In the third slide, we're going to have a conversation. That's what we're about to do right now.